In this video, we will talk about how to fix class not registered error in Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Perform a system restore. Click in Search. Type Run. Click on Open. Here you need to type explorer.exe and press Enter to open System Restore. Click on Next. Check the box of Show More Restore Point. From here, select your restore point, as per the date when you were not facing this issue. Click on Next and restore your PC to the back date. Method 2. Reset apps. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on Apps. Now click on Installed Apps. Scroll down and click on 3 dots next to the app where you're experiencing the problem. Select Advanced Options. Scroll it down. In Reset section, first click on Repair option if that doesn't work. Then click on Reset option. So that's how you can fix class not registered error in Windows 11. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods linked in the pinned comment below. That's all for today. See you in the next video.